Peter Sam had done well on his first day. He had been in charge of goods trains, which he handled without difficulty. The thing controller was proud of him and put him in charge of passenger trains for the next day. "I'm nervous," he said on the second morning. "I haven't pulled passenger trains in many years." "It is quite difficult. Take it from me," quiet to handle. "I'm sure you'll do fine, Peter Sam. Just remember to be careful, keep calm, and not piss everyone off on your first day like someone else here." "Oh, piss off." "Yes, thank you, Scarloey." And Peter Sam moved off to collect the coaches. He came up very, very gently and said in a quiet voice, "Come along, dears. We mustn't be late." The coaches were swooned by Peter Sam's polite complexion, and they happily came along. Today, Henry was taking the express. Peter Sam was in fact early to the platform, but Henry had heard all about the Little Railway's new acquisitions and thought some hazing would be most fun. "This won't do, youngster. It's already your second day and you're already late. If you're late again this afternoon, I'll go off and leave your passengers behind." "But you can't," squeaked Peter Sam, but Henry steamed off before he could finish his sentence, leaving the little engine most concerned. He couldn't stay worried for long, however, as he climbed the beautiful valley. He listened to when the coaches said to stop, and was so smooth that the passengers sung his praises at the stations. Peter Sam even hummed a little tune to himself. "I'm Peter Sam, I'm running this line. I'm Peter Sam, I'm running this line. He's cocky trot trot, but he's kind trot trot. He's cocky trot trot, but he's kind trot trot," replied the coaches. They were fond of Peter Sam. All the passengers were pleased and everything was running well, until Peter Sam's third run up the valley at 11:30. "Sir Handel has come off the rails at the top station. I need you to bring the crane and the workman's coach up with you. I suspect his rough riding has weakened our admittedly pretty shoddy track work." This made Peter Sam worried. His return run down was the one where he met Henry. If he had to be kept waiting for Sir Handel, Henry might leave his passengers behind. Still, Peter Sam dutifully made his way up the valley with the crane and the workman at the end of his train. He arrived early at the top station and helped with the rescue effort. Peter Sam grew more and more impatient as he ran around his train. His crew left to get refreshments from a lady in a stand across the road. She usually caught the train back down to the bottom station on this run. "Peep, peep, 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 we must be going. Peep, 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 we must be going." The passengers soon got on. No one quite knows what happened next. The guard says Peter Sam was impatient. Peter Sam said he was sure he heard a guard's whistle. But anyways, Peter Sam started leaving, and he left the refreshment lady running after the train. The coaches screamed in alarm, "Stop! Stop! You've left her behind! You've left her behind!" "Bother! We're sure to lose Henry now," Peter Sam wailed. Peter Sam chuffed wearily into the bottom station, very tired out, but early. He had even beaten Henry there. "Not bad, youngster," Henry said when he finally arrived. But before Peter Sam could reply, the refreshment lady stormed up. "What do you mean by leaving me behind?" "I'm sorry, ma'am, but Henry said he'd leave all of you behind if I didn't get here in time." The refreshment lady was speechless, and then she laughed. "Oh, you poor engine. Henry was messing with you. He can't leave us behind. He's a guaranteed connection." Oh, well, I never. Henry! But it was already too late, for Henry was already chortling away.